This tool is going to change the way we think and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various things and various options, and let's click on Overstrike Pro here. And you have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgrade EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. And you have here standard, start for free, no credit card needed, and you have here free forever, continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity EA model optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answer. So as you can see, it's for free. And right now let's know these things. We have here focus. So about this one, we have here web search across the entire internet, writing, generate text or chat without searching the web. We have here academic search for published academic papers, video discover and watch videos. Then we have math here, solve equation and find numerical answers. Social, we have search for discussions and opinions. And then we have here pro, you can just switch on or switch off. So our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So let's ask something here, how to make money on Perplexity, and let's click over here to get your answer. How to make money on Perplexity. We have your sources first. How to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. So if you click here, you will just find 8 sources here. So we have the first one, how to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. We have your YouTube. Then we have you make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. Have also your YouTube. Then we have here unlocking the potential, earn money with Perplexity.ea, chatbot, Jollify.ea. We have here 2 ways to make money with Perplexity 2024. We have here YouTube, and then we have here 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity A. We have here AA business plans, and then we have here how to automate Perplexity AA for passive income, AA business plans, and we have here Perplexity A chatbot companies make money tutorial 2024. So we have here YouTube, and then we have how does Perplexity.ea make money. I can't find anything about it, and we have here Reddit. Once you come back here, we have answer. So there are several ways to make money using Perplexity AI, a powerful AI-driven research assistant and conversational search engine. We have here are some effective strategies. The first strategy is freelancing services such as content creation, proofreading, and editing. We have content monetization such as YouTube channels, course of creation. We have automation for passive income like automated content creation. And in the conclusion, we have utilizing Perplexity AI effectively requires creativity and a willingness to explore various income generating opportunities. Withdraw freelancing content creation for platforms like YouTube or automated system for passive income. There are multiple avenues to leverage this powerful tool for financial gain. And then we have here related also. Example, what are some real life examples of making money with Perplexity AI? How can I use Perplexity AI for freelance writing? What are the main differences between Perplexity AI and ChatGPT? And you have just to click over here and you get your answer about the one you want. Then you have also here videos, as you can see, images here, and this is why the characteristic of Perplexity. So let's come back. Right now I will give you how you can earn money on Perplexity. So on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services to a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing followable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. So this is the first way. So I will give you how. So we have here Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consultant services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. So right now I will give you the second way. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. Offer these resources job Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for free, attracting users interested in specialist knowledge. So the first one we have it's on udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have the last one, which is earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps. Create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. We have the first one, which is App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interest users. Then we have here product hunt. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools on apps on product hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product hunt launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adaptation. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.